Hello guys, welcome back to a new tutorial on Bugzilla. My name is Sarwar Khan and I'm going to take you through today about setting up the products in the application, setting up components and setting up versions. We are also going to look at setting of basic fields and then we will be filing our first bug in the system. So let's go ahead and create few products in the system. So I have this file list of products with me. I have KYC, signature, CMS, LMS, and document manager. Let's go ahead and see how it looks because I have already created 4 products in the system. I will show you how to create the fifth one and then we will set the components and versions in the system. Let's go back to the application. I'm clicking on the products section. Obviously you have to come from administration, login, come to administration and then click on products. Click on add to add a new product. I'm copying document manager name from here. You can keep a description here. I'm just pasting the same document manager here. Then you have to assign a version. You can assign any version that you want. And please understand this is something this product here you can create at least one version directly. You don't have to really go back and do a version management. Application is giving you an opportunity here itself that you can create a version. So for example, I want to create a version that says like 3.0.0.0. So this is one version. So for this particular product, that is document manager, here we are directly adding a version called 3.0.0.0. Then you have to give minimum one component here. So I have a list of components with me. Say I have called scan and capture. I'm giving the same description and you have to provide a default assignee here. You can have any email nothing but user here. And click on add. Okay, so our product got added here and you can see it is added a version and also scan and capture as a component in the system. You can directly click edit and then edit that particular component and you can add more. Let's go ahead. I want to add more components to it. I'll just click on components again here, edit component, so that I can go back to the component screen. You can click on add new. Or if you want to edit or delete, you can use this option here directly. Okay, let's add new. I'm using another component called print. Here also we need to ensure that you have a default assignee here and click on add. Let's add our another component to it. I'm clicking again add button. So our all the required components that we wanted to add got added here. We'll click on again document manager and this time we are going to add a new version. So again let me explain you. So there is an option here to edit the version, how we did edit components. Similarly you can click edit versions and you can go edit or add the versions. So in case if you don't want to come to this screen, there is another option. Let me show you. You can go to administration from here. You can see here in the product section, you'll be able to see components and versions directly. Let's go ahead and look for versions. The moment you click on versions, it will give you a list of applications for which you want to add versions. We wanted to add for document manager. We'll click on document manager from here. And then you can see this is the existing version which is there, and you can click on add. So I can add any version here. I can add like 5.0.0.0 and click on add. So it got successfully added. So we are ready with our products, we are ready with our components, we are also ready with our versions. Now next is that we'll simply go ahead and file a bug. For filing a bug, we have two options. From anywhere of the screen, you can directly click here a new option and it will give you a bug filing form. The other option is you see this dashboard and this option, the first one which says file a bug. You can either click on new or you can click on file a bug. I'm clicking here on file a bug. Here it asks you to select the product or say name of the application for which you wanted to file a bug. Let's click on CMS. I want to file a bug for CMS. Let's go ahead and look for which components it has issues. Say I want to report a bug for dynamic pages. I'm reporting on version 8.0.0.1. I'm selecting my severity as say normal, hardware as say PC, OS say I'm saying Windows only, and then summary. I need to give here a summary, what is the problem, and it should be short and it should be simple to understand. For example, error status 500 while adding dynamic pages. Okay, you will see Bugzilla is automatically trying to search for these errors. So what happens the moment you keep type your keywords here for adding a new bug, at the same time Bugzilla goes and look in the database in case if there are matching, so that it will avoid duplication. So this helps us to minimize the duplicate reporting of bugs. Then you have to go ahead and give a description to it. I can copy paste the description here, and as per the protocols of the organization, you can write the steps like steps to reproduce. You can write click on add dynamic page, click on submit, and then you can click on submit. I'm clicking here on submit button. So we successfully created a bug in the system, or you can say we have filed a new bug in the system. This is the subject or the error that we created. You can see the same details here. It's automatically expands and shows you what has been reported. And at the same time, there are other fields you can update, like which is the URL, is there any tags, if that bug is depends on some other bugs, if that is a blocker and it has to be resolved after a particular bug, that you can mention the bug number here. You have this is something called time tracking. It's a very useful feature of Bugzilla. You can See, again, this is again based on the uh, role of the person who is filing the bug. As of now, I'm using my admin ID. I would have reported this bug using the reporter. So we will file another bug, and we will also explore the user management, how really a particular user logs in, and what are the different fields that user is able to see. So this is what the bug filing looks like. Thank you for watching my tutorials, and if you like it, please give us a thumbs up, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.